My name is Jamin Gascon. I am an entrepreneur and also a clothing line owner.
I'm Peter John Drongo, 24 years old. I am a radio producer and I do have a lot of side hustles.
When I started my business, sa bahay lang ako noon nagpaplano kasi wala naman akong any area or space to do those things. So nandun lang ako sa kitchen namin, nakaupo ako sa dining table, dun ako nagsusulat.
I really value peace, serenity, and a place wherein I can think creatively because that is my job. And in order for me to do that, I need a safe space, a space wherein I can just move around without being conscious.
I'm Martin Angelo Tronco, or you can call me Mac. I'm a OFW, 6 years as a seafarer.
Ako si Romelito de la Peña. Minsan tawagin ako Mel o kaya Lolo Romel. Ako nasa 63 years old na.
I'm Edward, and I'm the head of the Facilities Management Department, and I'm working in BGC.
I'm Tin. I'm PR and External Communication in an automotive industry. I work in Manila.
It's away from my family. So parang you're earning good, but you're away from your family. Masaya doon kasi nakakapunta ka sa iba't ibang lugar. Pero yung iniisip mo na, sana nandito yung family ko, sana nandito yung wife ko.
For my future house, pangarap ko talaga magkaroon ng kahit mini office lang just to do my job better and to expand my business din.
What keeps me going is really my parents. I really wanted to give them a future wherein they can live peacefully and also for them to give them a retirement.
For my family, siyempre, yung safe place. Pag uwi mo, nandun yung misis mo nakabang, na yung mga anak mo, nandun. Tapos yung sabay-sabay kayong kumakain.
Ang gusto kong maging bahay na natitiran, yung malawak yung pinaka-backyard. Kasi yung misis ko mahilig magtatanim yun eh.
Gusto ko din siyempre magkaroon kami ng sarili namin sasakyan.
Sariling bahay, sariling family, 2 to 3 kids. Basta may babae, may lalaki, okay na yun. Kung okay din sa kanya.
So far, sa mga developers na sinearch ko, Camellia talaga yung nakita ko na, wow, this is my dream place to be in the future with my family. Pagpasok ko pa lang nung subdivision, ang fresh agad sa feeling and nakaka-relax din talaga. Which is yun yung unang hinahanap ko pagdating sa pagbili ng bahay.
Number 1 would be a sense of community. Number 2 is something peaceful. And number 3, of course, the most important thing is the work-life balance. Only Camellia can offer that to me. All of the things that I crave for, it's a place where it's very conducive for working. And that's, again, it's very important for me as a working human being who needs to procure and, save all the energies that I can.
As an OFW, syempre, gusto mo yung malapit sa airport. Isa yung Camellia sa malapit sa airport. Yung may mga expressway na ginagawa na ngayon, wala ka nang iisipin na traffic, papuntang airport, pauwi.
Ang matagal ko nang pinapangarap sa pamilya ko, ang makapunta ng bahay at lupa. Dito ko lang sa Camellia nakita ang kagandahan. Kaya, inirekomenda ko pa yan ng Camellia.
The first thing na pumasok sa isip ko nun is, eto na yun. Kasi andun na lahat eh. Andun na yung kailangan mo. Nung sabi ko sa kanya nun, love, eto na yung gusto ko na bilhin for us na tumira and for our future kids then.
Camellia listens to your hopes and sees your yearnings to the core. Every corner of Camellia Communities is inspired by your passions, dreams, and aspirations. Witness your dreams of a comfortable, convenient, and beautiful lifestyle come to life in the townships that we build.